Welcome. In this session, we will talk about a very important program which was released in 2024, which was Green Credit Program. Now, as per the previous policy framework, green credits were allotted if the number of trees are planted without their long-term evaluation. However, under the new amendment rulings, it would focus on quality and survival. So credit would be awarded only after 5 years if the trees that are planted remain there for 5 years, the restoration achieves 40% of the canopy area, then only every surviving tree one green credit would be provided. Now this is to ensure that vegetation is healthy and canopy density is well maintained. The focus is not on the number which is planted, but it is on the quality and protection for 5 years. Now this process starts with applying, then there is the verification which is done by the agencies, then also a third party verification, and finally the green credits would be issued after 5 years. There are 8 avenues through which green credits can be obtained. One is planting the trees, the second is reducing the air pollution, water management, sustainable agriculture, mangrove conservation, sustainable building, waste management, and eco mark labels. So this green credit has been given by the Environmental Protection Act 1986. However, carbon credits are under Energy Conservation Act 2001. Very important. Now green credits incentivize the positive environmental actions, for example, afforestation, water conservation, sustainable agriculture. However, carbon credits aim to focus on the carbon emissions, right? So it represents the right to emit 1 ton of carbon dioxide, and it focuses mainly on the greenhouse gas emissions and the reduction of the greenhouse gas emissions. However, both have a shared goal, which is to benefit the community through reducing the carbon footprint, promoting greener environment. So carbon credit versus green credit, very important to understand. And what is the basis for the green credit program under Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So thanks for joining. We'll be covering many important topics. Have a great day.